guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna be doing DIY ribbed shorts. So I got these shorts from roadside for 150 rupees and I thought, you know what, like whenever you go to Zara they have this ribbed shorts for like 2000 and 3000 rupees. So I thought let's DIY because it's my summer vacation. So if you want to see how I rib my own denim shorts, then keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I'm just removing these blue threads with the help of this small scissor. And now I'm using these plucker and just removing these blue threads, as you guys can see from the video in detail. It's very easy with this with the help of these small scissors. Keep on doing these same steps to achieve your desired ripped jeans or shorts. Here is the final product. As you guys can see, it's very easy to rib your own denim, jeans or shorts. As you guys can see, it just looks ripped and distressed. And I have done the same thing on the other side as well. Overall look of my shorts